Hello and welcome to another video in our series. This video will provide a screen orientation for Justware Defender, our new case management software. I'm Peter Zook. I'm the project manager for the Office of Defender General, and I'll be your instructor for this class. On behalf of the project team, I'd like to thank you for agreeing to serve as a superuser. This role is critical to the success of our project. As a superuser, you will have an early opportunity to evaluate Justware and provide critical feedback to the project team. The project team will use that information to improve the program and create training curricula to help our power users become knowledgeable and skilled in the use of the program. Before we begin our training, be aware of the following. First, your screen may not be identical to the screen you are seeing on this training video. The reason for this is that we are still in the process of configuring Justware and are making changes sometimes every day. Don't let these small differences distract you from learning the skills you need to operate the program. Labels and headings may change, but the process will stay the same. Secondly, make sure you run the reset procedure before you begin this training. If you don't know how to run this procedure, please find the reset video and perform the necessary steps. Running the reset procedure will ensure that you have the latest version of the program and are ready to go. Now let's take a look at our new case management software, Justware Defender. When you first open Justware, it may seem somewhat familiar to the Microsoft programs you currently use. Nevertheless, we wanted to hit a few of the high points just to get us all on the same page. As you probably noted, Justware uses a menu bar located in the upper left of the screen to locate commands. Typical groupings of commands include the standard File, Search, Tools, View, and Help. Simply click on one of the words and a drop-down appears providing additional commands. Justware also uses tabs. Each tab indicates a separate session open in the workspace area of the program. Click on the individual tab to find the active session. To exit the tabs, you use the small X on the right-hand side. Make sure you use the smaller X and not the large X in the upper right-hand corner. This large red X will exit the program and you'll have to log in again. Like other Microsoft programs, there are many ways to execute the same command. For instance, you can exit a tab by clicking on the small X, as I'm doing here. You can also hover over a tab and right-click and click on your choice from the menu that appears. I'm going to click on Close All Sessions but this. Justware also features commands along a vertical ribbon located on the left side of the screen. Commands change on this ribbon to reflect your location in the process. The Quick Search box is located on the top of the ribbon. You can click inside the box to enter the search criteria. Everything begins with search in Justware. Simply enter text and hit enter or click on the magnifying glass. Justware displays your search results in the workspace. The person icon indicates a name record. The file icon indicates a case. Click on the appropriate entry and Justware will take you to that file. Notice that when you click on the file, you don't lose your search. Justware just opens another tab out automatically. If you wish to return to your original search, just click the appropriate tab. Justware has some additional tools to help you with your search. For instance, you may know what your name sounds like, but not the exact name. In this case, we'll put in Superman and check off the SoundX name search box. Also, you may have a partial. In that case, you may choose a wildcard search. Let's move back to the vertical ribbon. Below Quick Search is your default screen. We'll have more on that later. The double arrows located on the gray bars allows you to collapse or display commands. You can do this for any heading with the double arrow. You can also adjust the width of the ribbon to show more or less of the commands, or give yourself more workspace. That's it for screen orientation. Feel free to experiment with the screens. Remember, we're in a training environment. You can't break anything. See you next time.